So at Infinitive, we've made it super easy to connect your design data to our platform. Here you'll go in and you'll see your dashboard. If we click on products and then click add new product, you'll see a pretty comprehensive list of CAD formats there, because we know flexibility matters and we know that your products may be spread across multiple different file formats. And also, to integrate even better, you can link your Onshape and Autodesk accounts directly. So with Onshape connected, you'll have access to all of your files right within Infinitive. Here you can simply select your files you want to add. And here's the game changer, you can choose the exact version of each file, so ensuring accuracy and version control at every step of the way. Once your file is uploaded, click to open it in our platform. From here it's quick and intuitive to specify connectivity and add detailed product information. And that's it, a seamless, simple process that integrates effortlessly with your existing CAD systems. We help you focus on building your product configurator to put in front of your customers and not get bogged down with managing that CAD data.